born was in translating those strings, and we had recruited about 10 of them, 10 translators for this purpose. And I think we have translated about 9,000? About 200,000 strings within just 2 years' time. You can imagine. And that too, if we had an equivalent words, it's easy to just, put those strings. But every string had to be coined. And then there was another problem that we faced. Consulting with DDA, they were saying that we should have the approval of all those strings, translated strings. And if we had to wait, then this project could drag on for another 4 or 5 years. So I used my own discretion, saying that we will translate whatever is required, and we cannot wait for your approval. You could as well follow this one as a standard and make this whatever work that we have done as a standard. So that is how we went on. Of course, these are future plans. We'll be releasing Dzongkha version 2 and Bhutan Linux version 1 by last week of February this year. We will be also putting on online lexicon for Dzongkha. Work on localizing KD desktop is yet to be done. Dzongkha OCR in collaboration with NECTEC. In fact, I was talking to Dr. Tavisek that if you could somehow have a memorandum of understanding where our people could be sent to build our capacity. And he gave us a very positive signal. And NECTEC is going to help us in any way that they can do within their capacity. We need to also develop localized version of Linux operating system targeting other groups like publishing industry, education sector, etc. Localization of mobile phones. In fact, I was talking again to some of the experts during the lunchtime that we have such a complexity of characters, how we could do, and I think the best way, the solution that we have is just go by phonetics. Presently working towards opening a research division at DIT. This is one area that we would really like to give focus now. This has, in fact, even strengthened the institutional impression in a way that we could deliver something for the benefit of the people. The government has recognized. We have gained a lot of acknowledgement for this particular work. So I think it is justifying to put it as a proposal to the government that we are going to create a research unit, particularly to cater to localization. Sustainability, every 6 months all the existing softwares are updated, new softwares added, and we have trained about 60 people. We are planning to also train all literate sections of the people in 2007. We need to also localize more new softwares which would in fact further strengthen our capacity, and these are the ways we feel that we could sustain this particular localization project. I think it is fair to say that, of course, my own rating, that this PEN phase 1 has been successful, though we have still more to do. And to do new things, again, we have to bank on the expertise of the region. So with this, thank you. And Tashidelek is another equivalent term for thank you.
Well, uh, good afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm Chia Sok Hua, Project Manager, Pan Localization Cambodia. And to start this, would like to tell you that all Pan Localization has each component have its own challenge, its own difficulty, and its own successful. And for